So there's a little working day with us. Shit weather, but we've got a Land Rover Defender today for a little engine bay, and we thought we'd just bring you along.
It's very wet.
So we're just going to go pick up the car now from the storage.
We have our next customer. It's this beautiful, beautiful Land Rover in for an engine bay. And now we have the fun task of trying to get it out of this space. Very confined
all the way
space.
Out of that shutter door.
Don't know how we're going to do it. This is going to be interesting.
I don't want to do this.
You'll be alright. I'll give you good guidance. You ain't going to clear it, so come forward.
I think we're going to have to move some cars.
No, just come forward. You've got loads of space. Just keep it coming.
Because of the mic. But yeah, we've managed to get it out.
Wait!
I got a brand new combine harvester. And I'll give you the key.
I'm just so glad we're not jacking this thing up.
I ain't driving it all the way over.
Hold on.
He's asked me to move the car back, and like I said in my previous clips, he can't drive manuals. Yeah, see the hesitation.
That's not entirely true. I can drive a manual.
Keyword, entirely.
And I did pass my test in the manual. The hell? Sound like a cow.
It's a countryside in it, boy.
Going back to his previous statement, I can drive a manual. And I like driving a manual.
He's got little
sorted. We've basically done that, so we can use the...
Oh, wrong way.
Yeah, let's not do that. We've moved it back so we can use these.
Wrong way, bro. Trying to turn
little like
the key cranks the opposite
like a
direction,
ladder, basically. Because as you can see, Harvey and myself are vertically challenged.
Don't know how.
Slam it, Jesus!
I swear he just popped it, didn't it? Oh,
what's that? Where was it?
I'd like you to try and find it. Let's watch Harry try and find it.
Oh, it's right there. God, we're so dumb.
No, setting up.
Setting it up, man.
So we use just a little light. We need to get more because when we're underneath the car, it just isn't enough.
Let there be light.
It's lovely. It's a lovely colour, isn't it?
We might have an issue here.
It's not high enough, is it?
Yeah.
I reckon we stack it on a box.
Yeah, let me go get a box.
But basically, what we are looking at is virtually all of this. So the dry ice will then clean up all of this residue, that lovely oil filter, sorry, not oil filter, all of that stuff. So this is going to be a nice, fun job.
Let me in with my box.
We've got a little bit of ice. We're waiting on a delivery. So whilst we wait, we are going to start this.
God, she's dirty, but we're going to have this looking beautiful.
So we are going to get prepared and get everything all sorted. So this is a Vario. Harry called it a Vario Pro in our first video. It's just Vario.
I think it is called a Vario Pro.
It isn't. It's called the Champ Vario.
The Champ Vario?
Yes. So this is just a smaller version of our Turbo Pro. It just doesn't let as much ice through. So we have a smaller hose, and that's where the ice goes through, and all the air goes through the other one. Where on the Pro, as you can see, well, hopefully you can, this hose is a lot bigger.
It's a bigger hose. Bigger pad.
And then, I'm not sure how much ice is actually in here.
I checked this morning, there's like enough to do a little bit.
We are going to be using this ice for the time being, before our delivery turns up, we've got 2 boxes on its way. So this is the dry ice here. You can kind of touch it, but you got to be quick with it, otherwise it will burn your hands. We use our little scoop, and it's as simple as just putting it straight in the machine. We'll do a few test patches first of the machine, of the engine bay, just to see what comes up nice and what doesn't.
And you guys get to look how good I look in glasses and gloves.
And yeah, Harry's going to do some work for once.
Whoa.
He's actually going to pick up that gun and he's going to shoot an engine bay.
Shoot an engine bay. It's going to be coming out looking beautiful.
And basically we will just vlog the whole process of the before and after. As you can see, little pieces like that.
Let me get some before and after shots.
All of this stuff.
This has the potential to look incredible once it's
disgusting. And all of this. Even like this stuff, I know that's under seal and stuff, but we'll turn the pressure down and we'll just get all of that white grime and dirt off. And make the engine bay basically look as good as the outside does with this beautiful colour with the cream sand wheels. Virtually it. That is the setup for dry ice, especially when we're doing an engine bay. It's very simple. It's just on some cars it can be quite time consuming, especially when we have to be careful of hitting certain parts as they are deteriorating and stuff, like this hose like Harry said in the first clip that he's a bit concerned about, which he's got more than all right to be, because it is kind of flaking and coming apart. But we basically will just take our time and be careful on that part. Yeah, it is very simple. When you go to the undersides and stuff like that, it takes a little bit longer, and there's a lot more preparation within it, as it's a lot bigger area. So we have to bag the car and try and consume the dirt and everything. So we've just finished this lovely Land Rover Defender behind me, and we'll give you a quick look. So here's the engine bay. It's had the lovely dry ice treatment, and as you can see, it looks crazy compared to what it did look like when it first came in here at Polar. The top of the hood has come out virtually brand new. As you can see, there are a few rusty components which we would offer to the customer to get treated, but that involves diving a little bit deeper and stripping all of this back, and then treating it, and then getting it coated again, which the customer does not want to go and do. No, look, as you can see, it's all come out virtually brand new. Obviously, there's a few little bits that need repainting and stuff, but as the customer said, it's like a patina look. He's very happy with it. Even the oil filler cap looks amazing, and it looks 10 times better than what it did. And this is just how simple dry ice is. We didn't have to take anything out. Everything was left in situ, and it's worked wonders. And now we've got to put this car back in storage.
Gotta hold it down a little longer. It's an interesting noise when it starts up.
It is, isn't it?
As Harvey's just mentioned, this car is now going back into storage. We're waiting for the customer to come collect it. God, she's beautiful. This paint is beautiful. With the cream wheels, it just goes so well. I actually need to do some work and actually help him out. Yeah, what's your wing mirror? Yeah, if you just go straight back. Yeah, sorted. It's like a big old lump.
It makes everything look
beautiful.
So
oh, stunning car.
Come on.
Don't see many of them these days. Yeah, I would readjust.
Oh, gears in this. So it goes 1, 2, 3. So it's only got 4 gears.
She goes.
And there you have it. There's another job completed here at Polar. Currently got the next product in behind me. and there'll be a video coming on that soon, and we'll see you in the next one.